Hello there, so here is this nice app, CuteU live video chat app, and it's climbing in the top charts in the US App Store, so you can see it's already 113 social networking category in the whole US App Store, so that's pretty fun. And it's like a random video chat app, similar to Omegle or Monkey Chat and all of that. So you can see like there are only 600 ratings. It's quite a new app. So let's just go through this app and see how it works, why people seem to like it. So you just start using the app, create an account. I usually create with my Apple ID. That's pretty fast. And then you can just tap quick match. And then that's how it works. And then you can just accept and start conversations. So there you have it. That's how it works. So that's the idea. Of course, on this kind of apps, you will have a lot of spam and a lot of fake profiles, a lot of like bad quality profiles. You just go to Explore tab. You can swipe left, swipe right. You can see to recommendations, so you can see to people nearby you. Then you can just see in the live feed. You can follow some people in the live streams, and then you have all your messages. So, for example, if someone is messaging here, you can reply. You can also, but then you need to sign up for a membership. 1 month is $12.99 or $19.99, and then you can just buy it. If you sign up for a membership, you can just get advanced match function, free messaging. You can switch country, VIP logo, and all of that. So that's the idea. And then there is your profile. You can change your nickname, change your profile picture, select all of that. From here you can upgrade. Then you can go to settings and link your phone, Facebook. You can then get verification. It's usually good that these apps have some kind of verification, because the amount of spam and fake and bad quality profiles can be just astounding. And then you can just log out. There is no option to delete your account from here, as I can see it here, so you just probably need to contact the support. But yeah, that's the idea. That's the app. That's how it works here. Get free match vouchers you can just receive. I don't know, it doesn't work. Then you can see your diamonds. You can see the price for the diamonds and all of that. You can see your match record. So yeah, that's the idea. Hope it is helpful.